Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we will learn the rules of tajweed. Especially, we will understand what is idgham. So, idgham means to merge. Idgham means to merge. There are 6 letters of idgham. They are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. We can combine in yarmaloon. So idgham happens when noon sakin or tanween comes before idgham letters. Then we will merge this noon sakin or this tanween into the next idgham letters. For example, here this is noon sakin. Noon sakin has come before ya. Noon sakin is followed by ya. This is idgham letter. So we will merge noon sakin into ya, and the sound of noon sakin will not be clearly pronounced. We will recite like فَمَن يَعْمَلْ like this. And also here is in أَظُنُّ. So noon sakin is followed by noon. So here will be also idgham. There are 2 types of idgham. Idgham with gunna and idgham without gunna. So 4 letters from idgham are with gunna: ya, waw, mim, and noon. We can combine this in yawmin. So these 4 letters are idgham letters with gunna, and 2 ra and lam are idgham without gunna. So here we can see ma lubada. So here is tanween. After tanween is idgham letter lam. So tanween is followed by idgham letter lam. So we will merge tanween into lam, but without gunna. Ma lubada. Same like ghafurur rahim. So tanween is followed by idgham letter ra. So we will merge the sound of tanween into ra, but without gunna. Ghafurur rahim.